Hello everyone, welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Today, let's make this animated slide today in PowerPoint. So for this, insert a rectangle covering the whole slide. Make it no outline. Duplicate this shape now. Fill it with any random color, just to differentiate it. And then rotate it. Again, duplicate it. Change the color of shape. And rotate it a little bit different from previous shape. Make sure you don't hide your previous shape with it. Both should be visible. Select both tilted shapes and duplicate them. And arrange on another side. I am enabling the guides from View tab, so that I can arrange the shapes in middle of shapes, and leave the equal space from both sides. Then just to differentiate, fill all the shapes with different colors. Now copy the rectangle and paste it. Align it in center and middle. Then first select the tilted shape, and then the big rectangle. Then go to Shape Format, and intersect it. You will get the shape something like this. Perfect. Now again paste the image, arrange it. And then intersect it with other tilted image. Repeat this process with other two shapes on other side. At the end, you will get these four shapes. Now go to Format Shapes. Increase the transparency to 30% for all four shapes. And delete the background rectangle. It's time to apply some shadow to the shapes. So select the first shape, and follow the procedure on the screen. To copy the effect in other shapes, we will use the Format Painter. Now change the direction in these two other side shapes. To put the background image, so for that click on Background, select Picture Fill, and go to Insert, and choose the image from where you have saved it. I will take the file that I have saved in my computer. Perfect. Now I will increase its transparency to 10%. Select all shapes with Ctrl+A, and fill it with Slide Background Fill. This looks amazing. Now it's time to make them move. So for that, go to Animation tab, enable the animation pane, and apply the line animation in first shape. Change its direction to left. And set it with previous. And duration will be changed to 4 seconds. Then go to Effect Options. In this, enable the Auto Reverse Guide, and make the smooth start and end 1 second. Repeat it until end of the slide. Now we will apply another animation to this shape. So apply grow and shrink animation. Change it to horizontal. Start it with previous. And duration will be 4 seconds. Go to this little drop down, and then select timing, and make it repeat until end of the slide. And in this section, same setting will be done which you have done in previous animation. With the use of this red dot, drag the shape little bit outside the slide, so that it will have good effect on your slide. Now use Animation Painter to copy the animation in other shapes. In this, change the grow direction to vertical. Apply same animation to other shapes. Change the line's direction in this to right. It will be same that both side background shapes will have vertical grow, and front shapes will have horizontal grow. Duration will be same in all animation, that is 4 seconds. Here you can see how it will look at the end. Now the final step you need to do is add the text. Line it as you find it suitable. Then send it to back. And here you go. Subscribe our channel if you find this valuable and insightful.